Good day, my friends. This is a message for the government of national unity in South Africa. You motherfuckers are taxing me on this. You call it sin tax. Sin tax. If I go to the shop, you tax me, VAT, value added tax, and plastic bag tax, If I work, I'm glad, I'm happy, at least I have a work. You see me, I'm a white man, I work in South Africa, We're sitting with unemployment. The highest unemployment in the most developing countries in the world. And it's because of you, ANC. So last year, in 2024, we formed a government of national unity, and the DA, they're useless. If I see what you're doing there, I can see you're at your end there. Let me have a sip of some apple juice, I don't want to pay you tax anymore. Where's the Freedom Front Plus? Waar is die Vryheidsfront Plus? Hoekom moet ek tax betaal? Why must I pay tax to a corrupt government that's not building schools, not building infrastructure, not fixing potholes, not destroying state-owned enterprises? Why must I pay you tax? Why do you want my tax money? So me, as a white man, I want to stop paying tax to you because you are misusing my tax money. That is what you're doing, Is jy nie gatvol nie? Who the hell else are not fucking gatvol of paying taxes and not getting services? My black brothers are living in Zurich. They're living in their own waste. In the locations, Soweto, Vosloorus, Zamdela, Sebokeng, Meloding. And you're laughing at the guys, the colored guys in the Cape Flats. You're laughing at my my Indian friends in Lenasia. But still, we pay tax, we pay tax, we pay tax, we pay tax, but there's no services. So why should I keep on paying taxes? Why? Tell me, South African government of national unity, the DA, Comfortable Switze, MK, EFF, that hates me because I'm white, singing kill the boer, kill the farmer, threatening to attack Orania on the 22nd of April this year. Next week, the EFF with Mal Emmer, he wants to say, the EFF will attack Orania. Why must I pay taxes? Why? You don't deserve my tax money, ANC. You don't deserve my tax money, DA. You don't deserve my tax money, Freedom Front Plus. Hoe staan julle op hier? What the fuck, eh? Why? What the fuck, eh, is going on? While you're sitting in government, you're smiling. And the rest of the citizens, white, black, Indian, coloureds, Khoisan, San people, Hotnote, are suffering. And you doing nothing. Tax, tax, tax. It's time we, as the citizens of South Africa, stop our hard-earned tax money for government grants. Because those ones that get the grants, they're not contributing to the economy. They are not contributing to the economy. But still, we pay tax. We pay tax. You pay tax. You pay tax. You pay tax on tax on tax. With more tax, Look at the tax laws from SARS. You're only allowed to save, if you can save, 36,000 rands a year. But there's fucking $20 million hidden in Pala Pala furniture. There's wastage of 247 million rands in Nkandla from Jacob Zuma. And Julius Malema, he does not pay tax. Why if Julius Malema does not pay tax, must I pay tax? Fuck you. I want someone, Davy Rood or some financial person or some, I don't want to pay tax because I'm working 100%, but I have to give 90% of my hard work, of my sweat, blood and tears and shit and shurits in the streets, I must give to the government, to SARS, to the GNU, Government of National Unity. Why? It feels like a battle. The harder I work, the more tax money are being taken from me. The way I feel, the only things I can do is I earn a salary. I wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30 I'm at work. And I work fucking 9 to 10 hours a day. Then I can leave, How many hours of my day has been wasted to support the government with tax money? And then they come with plastic tax and cigarette tax and apple juice tax and everything's being taxed. But there's no money because they are wasting. Amen. What is the word? They're wasting our tax money and they're not making the country better. They're breaking down the country, but still we have to pay tax. Value-added tax. VAT. Sin tax on cigarettes and booze. Petrol tax. Road accident fund tax. Now they want to fucking jump up and down because there's no more AGOA. Because Donald Trump says we're not going to give millions and billions of dollars to South Africa anymore. But still, they're taxing us to death. But we have to pay tax. You pay tax. Yeah, my street is there. There's no more street lights working. I have to put up lights around my house because there's no lights in the street. I can't provide the whole fucking street with lights, but I have to put lights up on my house so that someone doesn't come and fucking try to kill and rob me. I have to rob Nee. But is that what I must do? Must I rob back? Must I steal back? I have to lock myself up in a jail each and every night, nee, so that I can be safe and no one comes and kills me or my family. Fuck you, ANC. Fuck you, GNU. Fuck you, DA. Fuck you, Freedom Front. Hey, fuck them all immer. Fuck you, okay. I'm waiting for you, nee, on 22nd April. If you're coming to Oranje, I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna fucking slice your throat, eh? This is fucking hate speech. I'm gonna fucking slice your throat, Julius Malema, when you come to Oranje. But pay, the rest of you dumb motherfucking sheep, ne? Pay taxes, tax, ne? You fucking stupid motherfuckers.